tinted windows.
I want to thank my crew. We've been doing this all these years, and they're all volunteers. On Thursday, we ran 350 cars. On Saturday, we ran 700 cars.
Wow.
2 hours of cars. And on Saturday, we ran 450. So I hope everybody has a good time doing it. We enjoy seeing all the cars come on. And don't forget about us next year. Thank you.
Thank you, Jimmy. Before you go anywhere, put your hands together again for NSRA. We love what they do, helping everybody out, checking the cars over if they need help.
Yeah.
We do have Flax for
A lot of cars.
NSRA, who's been down here helping. Northeast Division Director Jimmy Knack, along with, put your hands together, come on.
Put your hands in them. These are probably
Nice
the only
color.
ones.
Along with
Are
Marilyn
these the
Rep,
only ones
Mark
really left
Leary.
on earth?
Mark's not here. Delaware Rep, I know he's here. Nikki Pemberton. There he is. And Safety Inspector Don Fuss. Put your hands together for those guys. We truly appreciate what you guys do every single
I'm gonna
show.
have so much.
Grand finale card.
That's cool.
Do you win by
Lowrider. That's not your DeSoto.
2005, Joseph Ontario, 1970 Chevy. Number 2651, Adam Metric with a 1966 Chevy. Miller with a 1961 Chevy.
Really cool.
Number 1113, Maurice Dunaway with a 1969 Dodge. Number 1757, William Thacker with a 1949 Ford. Car number 2431, Wayne Rebel with a 1968 Plymouth. Number 1612, Robert Hall with a 1940 Dodge. Car number 601, Lewis Stanley with a 1934. Car number 812, John Manning with a 1966.
Mm-hmm.
What's NSRA?
Car number 986, John Antonello with a 1969 Chevy. Car number 2412, Robert Piccioni, hopefully I pronounced that right, 1966 Chevy.
Oh my goodness.
Marion with a 1957 Chevy.
probably walk back this row, check out these. Nice. Color, that color is just, yeah, something else.
Probably I should be the only
Number
one to win.
2290. Donald Rowe with a 1950. Sorry, 1950 Chevy.
Man, that's perfect.
Car number 2413. James Dilworth. 1934 Ford. Number 583. Gary Christie with a 1967 Pontiac. Car number 1249. Phil Auld with a 1960 Chevy. Last but not least, car number 843. Louis Greger with a 1994 Ford. Let's put our hands together for all the grand finale winners today. Congratulations. We're going to move on to our Car Club Awards. This year's Outstanding Banner, usually down on the left-hand side as you're coming in. This year goes to Lost in the 50s. Where is Lost in the 50s?
Really cool. Mm-hmm.
It was selected for this prior to the battle. And then during the battle, they come up and they give another $200.
Mm-hmm. You got a good variety too.
Is this all that's left in the bottle?
Oh, you know, some of these are depending what kind of color and stuff like that. Other people have them, but certain color combinations are more rare, you know.
Sorry, I did not mean to make you walk right into the ball. Number 5, Club Award goes to Country Cruisers of Lebanon. Long Island Crew. Number 3, Club Award. Street Survivor.
Looney Tunes. Got Bugs Bunny on there. They're just moving them over and stuff like that, driving them down. Yeah. There you go.
Next we have Kenny Kitchen. Their sweetest ride this year goes to number 1211, Florida.
That's nice. Convertible.
Because I know some of them you're allowed to sit in, but I don't
Mm-hmm.
think these. Right? You're not allowed to sit in them.
No, these are, you know, you just got to look at them.
Hours Mini Golf. Their Outstanding Show Award goes to number 2549, Kenneth Hewitt with a 1962 Ford. Our next trophy comes from Events Apparel. Put your hands together for Events Apparel.
Wow, it's really neat. Nice. It's got a good sound.
Oh, they're really showing off now.
I get that on video. Nice.
There he is, there's Dennis.
Yeah, it's neat. Look at that one, hot rod. Sitting low. Yeah, yep. Really cool. Yeah, I mean, you can't drive it anyway, you know, you gotta be real careful. It's like floating right on the ground. Not a lot of clearance. Stingray. Oh, look at the eagle. Something else. Oh yeah.
Provide for you guys. It's always great to be able to find the parts, service, whatever you need. So we truly do appreciate them. Without them and all of you, we would never be able to do what we're doing. So this is a really cool thing that we can bring to land and be able to see how things start rolling. We're going to start this year with Advanced Auto Parts. I think Advanced is going to bring some of their crew up here. You guys see them coming? Yep, there we go. Put your hands together for Advanced, everybody.
I could stay here all day.
Yeah. That's neat, huh? Yeah, it's like a boat.
got to come back and like, oh, if I had all the money in the world, I would have been here with my car. And a lot of people look at it. This is probably the best one.
It's nice. It's a good one. Hey.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It is. Ah. Oh. I've never seen this.
General Motors,
General Motors.
two-tone black, blue.
Yeah, this is stuff I've never seen. I like that one with the stripe. Oh, this one won a trophy.
Mm-hmm.
This one had
It's a big trophy too.
Same time.
Yes, I cannot wait.
What happened to that one?
It's just got that nice patina, you know, real old patina on there.
Oh, they
Just kept it,
they
yeah.
just let it.
Driving it and keeping it outside looks real nice, you know. Keeping it original.
That's true.
Yeah.
When you buff it up, it's not real.
It depends on what you like, you know. It's just everyone has their taste.
Clean it up, and other people like the natural.
They like to keep it how, you know, maybe their parents had it.
Put your hands together for Bruno's, everybody.
I do not want to.
I think this is the first time down here at the inlet, which is great to have us down here. I know I never get to come down and enjoy it, but I heard it's been a blast. So,
Almost as tall as the truck.
again for Bruno's, everybody. Next up, we have Hero Shelby. They're from this year. Hero Shelby Cruisin.
Very cool. I like that color too.
Our number 4.
Oh, it had a little. It had a baby.
Yeah.
I saw
Congratulations. Come on up, grab a picture.
you only got one, I got two. Hey, there's that one you saw at the car show.
Fantastic. Classic Auto Mall, everybody. Put your hands together. Next, we have 8-way classic car.
I used to love cars, and then
Look at that.
yeah, this one's nice. I wonder if this one will. It should have.
Chevy Claymont, 60s.
They should have had this OBD there.
There's a pressed steel car that they make it in this model. I think it's by
When you
Nylet.
use the door for, you just.
And the pressed steel, the door comes out just like that. It's real cool.
You would think.
Oh, I thought this car wanted it.
I swear, the next life you have.